So my name is Ashley Jackson, and I am from Fayetteville, Georgia, where I still live with my husband and my 3 children. And I am a 9th grade math teacher. 9th grade math teacher. My dad always told me when I was growing up that you should be a teacher. When I was in high school, he was like, you should be a teacher. And I'm like, no thanks. I don't want to deal with anybody else's kids. But it really is my passion, and I really do enjoy it. Being in the classroom, of course, I'm always concerned about my health, and not just my physical health, but my mental and emotional health. We have been immensely blessed with essential oils. These are my favorite earrings, says there's an oil for that. We use On Guard every day. On Guard was one of the first oils that I ever purchased. It has really helped us to stay healthy during all of the seasons. Since we've been using essential oils, my kids and I have been able to maintain almost perfect attendance in school, which is nuts sometimes. In the last year, I've really been in tune with how my students show up in the classroom. When they walk through the door, are they smiling? What's going on with that kid? Did they have a rough morning? Are they having a hard time focusing? And I've been able to share essential oils with some of my students, and they sometimes need support to get from one place to the next, and they need that support to know that it really is going to be okay. So they trust me, they love the oils, they love the smell of it. It just does something with the atmosphere of the classroom. I've had kids come into my room and say it feels like a peaceful place always in my room. It really makes my heart want to be able to share with all of the parents that are sending all of the kids to school, whether they're sending them to school or if they're going to be learning from home. Being able to share something that can support them in their learning is really what I would, really what I have a passion for doing. I trust doTERRA because I know they work. Bottom line, I know they work.